In this video, we will see some most interesting GK questions. What is the world's largest land animal? Tiger, African bush elephant, giraffe, bull. Your time starts now. The answer is African bush elephant. What is the heaviest elephant? Male African savanna elephant, Indian elephant, Sri Lankan elephant, straight-tusked elephant. Your time starts now. The answer is male African savanna elephant. How much a male elephant can weigh? 6,000 kgs, 8,000, 6,800, 9,000 kgs. Your time starts now. The answer is 6,800 kgs. The intestine of an elephant is approximately dash in length 29 meters, 9 meters, 19 meters, 6 meters. Your time starts now. The answer is 19 meters. How much time does a baby elephant take to walk after the birth? 2 hours, within 1 hour, 24 hours, 30 hours. Your time starts now. The answer is within 1 hour. Which animal never forgets anything? Dog, cat, giraffe, elephant. Your time starts now. The answer is elephant. Which is the only mammal that cannot jump? Dog, bull, giraffe, elephant. Your time starts now. The answer is elephant. What is the national animal of Thailand? Giraffe, tiger, lion, elephant. Your time starts now. The answer is elephant. Which animal can hear through their feet? Eagles, crocodiles, penguins, elephants. Your time starts now. The answer is elephants. How much water can an elephant hold in its trunk? 6 liters, 8 liters, 10, 5.5 liters. Your time starts now. The answer is 5.5 liters. For more interesting GK questions, please subscribe to this channel.